After looking at over 40 probiotics across 69 randomized placebo-controlled trials, there was one probiotic that made it into our rankings for the symptom of constipation and IBS, and that was Bacillus coagulin's unique IS-2. Now, one quick interjection here, but if you're watching this video somewhere other than ibsprobiotics.org, know that everything I'm about to cover comes directly from that site. Now, that site is a completely free research tool that I've been working on for the past 2 years, digging through loads of clinical trials of probiotics and IBS to see which ones have shown promise and which specific symptoms in IBS they seem to target. So if you want to learn which probiotics might actually target your specific symptoms, definitely check out the site. And then if you find something promising, head over to probioticfinder.org, where you can see all of the products that contain that probiotic compared. Unique IS-2 earned our #1 spot for this parameter due to results from a study in adults with IBS and also a study in children with IBS. And in both cases, Unique IS-2 seemed to improve constipation-related symptoms such as straining and incomplete evacuation. For adults, incomplete evacuation improved by over 60% with a strong effect size of 1.55. Similarly, straining improved by 65% with a strong effect size of 1.67. And then in the study in children, incomplete evacuation improved by 73% from baseline with a strong effect size of 1.19, and straining improved by 70%, also with an effect size of 1.19. Now, it's important to mention that the two studies did not have exclusively IBS-C subtypes in their study population, but regardless, these strong effects that we're seeing for constipation-related symptoms have earned Unique IS-2 our #1 ranking for this parameter. Now, you may notice that we have an honorable mention here for a probiotic called Probiotic. Now, this probiotic technically did meet our parameters to make it into the rankings, and if you're curious about what those parameters are, you can see that here. But the problem with this one was that there were not a lot of details about the composition of this particular multi-strain probiotic. And so while we have found similar commercial products on the market, we cannot confirm or verify that it is in fact the same product that was studied here. So for that reason, we have left it as an honorable mention. Now, if you want to learn more about other probiotics that have shown promise for the symptom of constipation and IBS that we have not covered here, be sure to check out the database that is at the bottom of this page. Also, if you want to learn about other symptoms that Unique IS-2 seem to help with, then feel free to click the link that we have over to the side here to learn more about that probiotic. But most importantly, make sure if you're considering taking a probiotic to manage IBS symptoms that you touch base with your medical provider first to ensure that that is the right decision for you personally.